Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Last week, Nifty was up about 400 points and Bank Nifty about 1000 points. And remember, last week in all 5 trading sessions, Nifty closed in green. You may also remember the previous week in all 5 trading sessions, Nifty closed in red. FIIs are turning aggressively buyers, and then global Qs are doing very well, and there was some small problem, the First Republic Bank. I think at the end of the day, the First Republic Bank saga will be over, and what happened to Silicon Valley Bank, same thing may happen to First Republic Bank. So because of this, globally the banking stocks have not been doing well, but locally the banks are rocking. Over the weekend, how many banks came out with results? Kotak Bank, RBL Bank, IDFC Bank, IDBI Bank, Central Bank. And uniformly, all the banks have declared very good results. In fact, except HDFC Bank, I think all banks have declared very good results. Though Axis Bank declared very good results, the reaction was negative in the stock market. So, the banks are really doing extremely well. Now, the Bank Nifty is less than 3% away from all-time high, and usually May month is actually not a good strong month. In US, even there is a saying, sell everything in May and go away. So, usually October to April is considered to be good for US markets, and May to September is considered to be slightly less optimistic. But this time we may be different. So, this time May month may be a good series. Last October, November, 2 months, October Nifty shot up 900 points, November another 800 points. So, that story may be repeated this time. In the month of April, Nifty shot up 900 points. Who knows? Month of May can see another 800 point rally. So, the banking stocks are looking good. I think almost all sectors are looking good, and IT is also bottoming out now. I think Infosys seems to have bottomed out. I think others IT stocks are also. In fact, mid-cap IT stocks have been doing well. It's only the large-cap IT stocks that did not do well. So, markets will be keenly waiting for next batch of PSU banks results, and particularly, of course, 3 more weeks, and State Bank of India results may be very, very important by the end of this month. So, first week of the series, the usual data like manufacturing PMI data, services PMI data, monthly auto sales data. So, all those kind of data from India, and of course in US next week the Fed meeting is very, very important, and after that monthly jobs data, non-farm payroll data. So, there are too many data in the first 1 week, so markets will be reacting, and of course right now markets are looking to react positively for every news. So, May series, what is the expectation? So, the first thing is that last time 17,800 was a good resistance. That 17,800 crossed decisively, and once it has crossed, and Nifty future, SGX Nifty indicating 18,200, that means spot must be more than 18,100, and in fact that is the next resistance. So, earlier I told you 17,800 is the first resistance, 18,100 is the second resistance. Now, the second resistance is crossed within days of crossing the first resistance. I always say once a resistance is crossed decisively, that becomes the support for the next leg. So, therefore, we can assume that 17,800 is a good support now. But however, 17,800 is too near. and we have one additional uncertainty compared to the global markets. So that is Karnataka state election. So therefore, I would, though technically 17,800 should be a good support, but looking at the open interest and then to be safe, we can say 17,500 is a good support. So for the month of May, so I am expecting Nifty to trade between 17,500 on the downside and 18,500 on the upside. So this is the broader range, and the open interest also indicate the same thing. And 17,500 put option as the highest open interest in monthly options. However, weekly options are too bullish, and even the 18,000 put option has the huge open interest. So coming week, in addition to a lot of economic data and lot of corporate results also, so the stock specific action will continue. Tata Steel, Titan, Hero Moto, Adani Enterprise, HDFC. So these are the Nifty 50 stocks that will be declaring the results in the coming week. I think by the end of this week, I think more or less most of the Nifty 50 stocks would have come out with results. Of course, Coal India is also there. And then after that only mostly like State Bank, Bank of Baroda, that kind of PSU banks results will be there, or that will be in the second or third week of May. So right now things are looking very bullish, and but at the same time remember, May month is actually usually not a very good month and not a very bullish month. So plus the Karnataka state election, so there are a lot of uncertainties. So overall 17,500 to 18,500 should be the range. And of course, please remember, I am not a SEBI registered analyst. I am just giving my views, and take advice from your financial advisors if you are taking any positions. So Reliance Industries looking very, very bullish, and remember, Reliance Industries trading range has been 2200 to 2800. So the midpoint is 2400. I think that 2400 has been crossed decisively. So Reliance has the potential to go to 2500 by the end of this series. So I am maintaining a slightly bullish bias in Reliance Industries. So let us see how this May month pans out, and April month has been a fantastic month, and usually if one month is good and with aggressive buying by FIIs, second month is also likely to be good. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.